We're in the experience area for Factory Equipment Center, and I'm joined by one of our customer success managers, Mr. Oliver Kraus. Hi, Ollie. How are you doing today?
Hi, Mark. I'm doing good, thank you.
Good. So, Ollie, why don't you tell us, what is Factory Equipment Center all about?
So, Mark, Factory Equipment Center is our solution for machine maintenance and asset management. So this solution covers all your needs for the equipment in your factory. So regarding maintenance, we do offer the classical systems like time and usage-based. But we even go a step further and we collect the data, continuously data by our machines to enable you to decide whether to do maintenance or not. So we go on a very flexible maintenance concept, and that is completely new.
That's great, Ollie. So it's an automated maintenance software. What kind of advantages does a customer have when they use the system?
So first of all, with an automated system in terms of maintenance and scheduling, you have all the control and transparency of the data of your equipment. You know the conditions, you continuously monitor the condition. So you're independent of individual know-how and knowledge. So in the end, you have a system controlling your maintenance process, and in the end, you have the full transparency and control over all the assets that are used at our equipment in the production.
So automated maintenance with real-time data across the whole factory. Very, very interesting. Ollie, thank you very much. I hope you have a great day at Productronica.
Thank you, Mark.